Do you want to set your profile as open to work on LinkedIn, but you don't want your employer to know that you're actively looking for work? Here's how to change your profile. So go to your LinkedIn personal profile, which you will find when you click on the Me drop down button or on the View Profile button, and you will see your profile. So it'll say your name, and you should have your job title here, your headline. Then underneath that you will see a button that says Open To. This is where we can say we're open to hiring, we're open to finding a new job, or we want to find volunteer opportunities. So clicking on Finding a New Job shows recruiters and others that you are open to work. Click in the kind of work you're looking for, so job titles, so maybe you're a software engineer, and you click software engineer. Click the location type, so on-site, remote or hybrid. If you wanted to work in a certain city, add the city in here. So if you're looking for work in London, for example. And then start date, immediately you're actively applying, or flexible, you're casually looking. Select your different employee types, and then the key is to stop your boss seeing that you are doing this. It's the visibility. Who can view you are open to work? So you want to click the recruiters only. This is limited to people using LinkedIn Recruiter, which is a specific tool people have to purchase in order to be using it on LinkedIn. Now, if there are recruiters at your company who have LinkedIn Recruiter, then they will still see the open to work badge. But if you know that they are not using that at your current company, click on recruiters only and click save. Then we click on the X and we'll have a look and see what does our profile look like. And it will say open to work on here. So open to work, software engineer roles, show details. So it's showing down here. And if I want to remove it, simply click on the same button and scroll down and say delete. You're no longer sharing with others that you are open to work. So click on delete, and that is removed from your profile. So that is how to set your profile as open to work that only people who have LinkedIn Recruiter will be able to see, and your company will not be able to see it if they are not using LinkedIn Recruiter. If you've got any questions, please do pop them down below. You may also find the video on how to upload your resume to LinkedIn useful, and I'll tag to that below as well.